Welcome to Cyber Tek Lab. Hi, security enthusiasts. Cybersecurity isn't just a buzzword, it's your shield in today's digital world. It's one of the most in-demand and best-paid skills in tech today. Ready to level up and tap into a future-proof career? Let's dive into the first question. What is the primary purpose of a firewall? A. To encrypt data. B. To filter network traffic. C. To store passwords. D. To host websites. Correct answer. B. To filter network traffic. Which type of attack involves flooding a network with excessive traffic to disrupt service? A. Phishing. B. DDoS, distributed denial of service. C. SQL injection. D. Man in the middle. Correct answer. B. DDoS, distributed denial of service. What does VPN stand for? A. Virtual private network. B. Very private network. C. Virtual public network. D. Visible personal network. Correct answer. A. Virtual private network. Which encryption algorithm is commonly used for securing internet communication? A. AES, Advanced Encryption Standard. B. DES, Data Encryption Standard. C. RSA, Rivest-Shamir-Adleman. D. MD5, Message Digest Algorithm. 5. Correct answer. A. AES, Advanced Encryption Standard. What is the purpose of multi-factor authentication? A. To use multiple internet browsers. B. To authenticate users with multiple factors. C. To encrypt files using multiple algorithms. D. To create multiple user accounts. Correct answer. B. To authenticate users with multiple factors. Which type of malware is designed to block access to a computer system until a sum of money is paid? A. Ransomware. B. Spyware. C. Adware. D. Worm. Correct answer. A. Ransomware. What is the practice of tricking individuals into providing sensitive information called? A. Hacking. B. Spoofing. C. Phishing. D. Cracking. Correct answer. C. Phishing. What does XSS stand for in the context of web security? A. Cross-site scripting. B. Extensible style sheets. C. XML security standards. D. Excessive site surveillance. Correct answer. A. Cross-site scripting. Which security principle focuses on limiting access rights for users to the minimum levels necessary to perform their tasks? A. Least privilege. B. Defense in depth. C. Security by obscurity. D. Single sign-on. Correct answer. A. Least privilege. What is the purpose of a penetration test? A. To patch software vulnerabilities. B. To simulate cyber attacks to identify security weaknesses. C. To encrypt network traffic. D. To monitor network traffic. Correct answer. B. To simulate cyber attacks to identify security weaknesses. Please pause, take a moment to assimilate or go back if needed. Do you remember the saying, "Practice makes a man perfect"? Your success depends upon how much you learn. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned to next topic on your journey to a demanding career in cybersecurity. Good luck.